Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Atlas credit card. Now you can download the Atlas Rewards credit card app from the Play Store, okay, or the Apple App Store. Click on Get and open the app. And then what you just do is you go ahead and sign up, or you log into your account, right? So you can tap here and sign up, and you're basically going to be building credit with it. It reports to all the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. So you'll be building your credit whatever you buy, okay? In your daily spending, 0% APR, and then you can tap here on next. And your credit limit grows with you. You can see where your money's going, how to improve, best rates. Tap here on next again, and you can save more because you get cash back on subscriptions and different merchant locations. You can end free trials automatically with the auto expiring virtual cards as well. So you can tap here on next and you'll see all of that you're going to be doing, and you can just tap on what is your top goals, click on continue. Then you just need to tell it about yourself. For example, your first and last name, tap on continue there, and then you enter your email address and you create your account. So it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.